Hello everyone and welcome to another Math tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 10 Index Numbers HOTS question example 3. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. The following table shows the prices and price indices of 4 ingredients, which is fish, flour, salt and food conditioner used to produce fish balls. So this is the column consists of the ingredient, okay, and the second column is consists of the price per kg in ringgit Malaysia of the year 2015 and the year 2017, okay, and the third column is the price index for the year 2017 based on the year 2015. Continue to read the question. The following pie chart represents the relative quantity of the ingredients used. So as you can see here, the weightage is in terms of the pie chart in the angle form, okay. So continue to read the question. For the question part A, find the value of M and of N. For the question part B, calculate the composite index of the cost to produce the fish balls for the year 2017 based on the year 2015. For the question part C, the composite index of the production cost increased by 50% from the year 2017 to the year 2020. Calculate the composite index of the production cost of the fish balls for the year 2020 based on the year 2015. For the question C part 2, the price of a packet of fish balls for the year 2020 if its corresponding price in the year 2015 is 8 ringgit. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solution. So without further delay, let us start to solve the question. For the question part A, we are required to find the value of M and of N. We can find it using the price index formula, okay. So let me write the price index formula over here. So given that price in the year 2017, okay, and you divide with price in the year 2015 and you times with 100, okay. So let me underline the fraction and box the formula. Okay, so this is the formula that we are going to use to solve the M and N. Okay, let us take a look at the M. So in the row of M, okay, there is a salt ingredient, okay. The price per kg in the year 2015 is given, okay, and the price index also is given. So the only value is missing is the price in the year 2017. So no problem, we can find it using the price index formula. So from here, what you're going to do is we're going to substitute all the relative information into the equation. So from here, let us begin our working with the M, and once we're done with M, then we can find the N, okay. So from here, M, you divide with 0.80, you times with 100. So from here, you should get the price index 112.5. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. Okay, so in order to calculate the M, will be equals to 112.5 times with 0.80, you divide with 100. Okay, so you divide with 100. So you perform this calculation, you should get your value of M is equals to 90 cents. Okay, RM 0.90. Okay, so this is your first solution. Okay, let me underline this. Once we have find the value of M, now we can proceed to find the value of N. Okay, to find the value of N is very simple. The price in the year 2015 and 2017 is already given. Okay, in this case is the ingredient of food conditional. Okay, so we are now required to find the price index, so we can straight away use this formula. Okay, so from here n will be equals to 3.75, okay, and you divide with 3.00 and you times with 100. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, you calculate this, you should get your price index is equals to 125. Okay, so this is your second solution for the question part A. So let me underline this. Okay, so from here let us proceed our discussion for the question part B, where we require to calculate the composite index of the cost to produce the fish ball for the year 2017 based on the year 2015. Okay, we have already find all the price index. However, there's only one missing weightage available here. Okay, in this case is the food conditioner. So how to find this missing weightage? It is very simple, guys. Okay, as you all know, the total internal angle of a circle is 360 degree. So from here what you do, 360 degree you minus all of the available angles over here. So from here 135 plus with 15 is 150. So from here 150 plus with 200 you get is 350 degree. So 360 degree minus with 350 degree. So from here you only left with 10 degree. So in this case the weightage for the food conditioner is 10 degree. So this value is very important. Okay, let me label this 10 degree. Okay, so now all the information are available, the price index and the weightage. Now we can proceed to calculate the composite index. So let us perform the calculation for the question part B. Okay, so from here composite index of the year 2017 based on the year 2015. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Is equals to, so from here let us start with the fish ingredient. Okay, the price index is 150 and then you times with the respective weightage is 200 degree. Okay, and then you plus with, okay, followed by the flour, the price index is 120. Okay, and then you times with the respective weightage, which is 135 degree. Okay, continue with the salt. Okay, the price index for salt is 112.5 and you times with the weightage is 15 degree. Okay, and at last the food conditional, the price index is 125 and you times with the weightage 10 degree. Okay, so you plus them all and you divide with 360 degree. Okay, why 360 degree? The summation of total internal angle of a circle is 360 degree, guys. Okay, so you calculate this. From here you should get the composite index of the year 2017 based on the year 2015 will be 136.49. Okay, so this is your answer for the question part B. So let me underline the solution. Let us proceed our discussion for the question C part 1, where we require to find the composite index for the year 2020 based on the year 2015. Okay, but before proceed on this, there is an important information given by the question. So please read this statement carefully, where it mentioned that the composite index of the production cost increased by 50% from the year 2017 to the year 2020. Okay, so within this statement we can actually form the second composite index. So from here we can write in our working the composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2017 will be equals to 150. Okay, so let me underline this. So from here, if you still don't get this concept, okay, let me explain to you. If your composite index have experienced an increase in value, that means your composite index value will be more than 100. Okay, if your composite index has not changed its value from one year to another, that means your value will be remaining as 100. Okay, however, if your composite index have dropped from one year to another, the composite value will be less than 100. Okay, this concept does not only applicable for composite index only, but also applicable for price index as well. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear. So if you still not clear, no worries, I'm going to write down in the screen here so you can look that as your reference. Okay guys, so from here, so now we are required to find the composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2015. So in order to find this, so this will be our working, where composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2017 times with composite index of the year 2017 based on the year 2015, and you divide with 100. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. So technically this 2017 and 2017 will cancel off, so you only left with this expression guys. Okay, so from here let us include the value. Okay, so for this composite index the value will be 150. Okay, and then times with 136.49. Okay, and you divide with 100. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, so you calculate this, you should get your composite index of the year 2020 based on the year 2015 is 204.74. Okay, so this will be your answer guys. Okay, so from here let me underline the solution for the question C part 1. Okay, so from here let us proceed our discussion for the question C part 2, where they ask us to find the price of a packet of fish balls for the year 2020 if its corresponding price in the year 2015 is 8 ringgit. Okay, since we have already find the composite index for the year 2020 based on the year 2015, okay, now it will be easy for us to find the corresponding price in the year 2020. Okay, so from here let us solve this. Okay, so price in the year 2020, okay, and then you divide with the price in the year 2015. Okay, in this case price in the year 2015 is 8 ringgit. Okay, and then you times with 100. Okay, you calculate this, you should get your composite index is 204.74. Okay, so in order to find the price in the year 2020, 204.74, you have to times with 8 and you divide with 100. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. Okay, you calculate this. So from here you should get the price in the year 2020 is equals to 16 ringgit 38 cent. Okay, so this will be your answer for the question C part 2. So let me underline the solution. Okay, So that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.